Let us look at how to use fractions in our everyday lives. There are 50 students in my school. Out of the 50, 25 are girls. So then, if I have to tell the number of girls in my school in fraction, how do I do that? The answer is whole of 50 is split into 2, meaning 25 plus 25 is 50. That is when I divide 50 into two portions, one portion is that of the girls, meaning girls form half the portion. If we have to depict the same without using the words like half, quarter, we can say it differently. 234 students came to our school to take up the 10th grade exam. 89 students were from our village. Therefore, how many were from our village? Out of 234, 89 children were from our village. This is also a fraction. Most of the time, we depict fractions as one of the 10 equal portions or similar examples. But in everyday life, fractions could be depicted in this way also. Another example, the cost of the school bag is 100 rupees. But today, it has a half price discount. You will get this bag for half the price. There is a fraction here as well. How much is half of 100? Why have they mentioned it as half here? The store might have a half price discount on many items, but we have to take into account the price of this object and calculate the half of that. So, this is another method of looking at fractions in everyday life. This is an important aspect. Now, I will take another example. Went to the market along with my family and bought 12 clothes. 3 clothes are for me, 3 for my sister, 3 for my father, and 4 clothes for my mother. So, if in 12 clothes, 4 are for my mother, what is the portion my mother has received? How can this be depicted in fractions? Answer is out of 12, it is 4. 4 by 12 means it is one third of the lot. In another example, mother had given me 5 jobs. In that, I have finished 3. How many more are remaining? Out of the 5 works, I have 2 remaining. In this way, if we go on using fractions in our everyday lives, there are possibilities of children grasping much more knowledge about fractions than expected or necessary in the primary teaching. Take, for example, I have half a circle with me. If I combine 5 half circles, how many circles will we get? You can find out the answer for this. Draw a circle, make a half of it. If there are 5 of similar halves, how many circles did we get? So you can find out the answer for this.